If you're looking for auger drills that can handle any job, look no further than the Terex A330 and A650. These drills have been redesigned with new technology to improve productivity, maintenance, and safety. The Terex Auger drills feature a hydrostatic drive transmission and an enhanced control system that allow for easier operation and greater productivity. They also have remote diagnostics that aid with troubleshooting and support. Plus, they have radio remote controls that let you operate them from a safe distance. At CIA Machinery, we are proud to offer the Terex Auger drills as part of our product line. We are a trusted dealer of Terex equipment and we have the expertise and experience to help you find the best solution for your needs. Whether you need to buy, rent, or service your Terex Auger drills, CIA Machinery has you covered. We have a large inventory of new and used equipment, a full-service shop, and a team of qualified technicians. We also offer financing options and delivery services. Don't miss this opportunity to get the best auger drills in the market. Contact CIA Machinery today and let us show you how the Terex A330 and A650 can work better than ever for you. Visit our website, call us, or follow us on social media to learn more.